Hi, it's time for another Ask She's Wired. Today's question comes from Mary in Morningside. She wants to know if there's a way to sign a PDF digitally so she doesn't have to print, sign, and scan it in order to email it back to someone. She's trying to save some paper, which is great. Well, here's how we want to approach it. On your Mac, you're going to want to open the PDF in the Preview app. Once you have your document up there, you're going to want to click on the Tools menu, Annotate, scroll over and down to Signature. There you'll see the signature you've already uploaded. Click on it. The signature will appear on the document, and what's great is you can grab it with your mouse and drag it down and scroll to the area that you want it placed in the signature area. So put it in there, and if it's too small like mine, grab a corner with your mouse, click, hold, and drag, move it out, move it in place. Now you're going to want to save it. Go up to the File menu and click Save. That's it. If you have a question for Ask She's Wired, send your question to wecanhelp@sheswired.com. Tell us what your question is, and if we post it on Ask She's Wired, you might win some She's Wired swag. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.